Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one is all about boxes of oranges. Nimesh has 60 boxes of oranges, and each box contains 25 oranges. So basically, in one box, there is 25. I know we can't see that there's 25. It looks like there's only 5, but there must be lots of oranges in there that we can't see. So one box has got 25, and he's got 60 of these. So basically, we've got 60 lots of 25. So the first thing we should do is work out how many oranges he's got altogether. So altogether, he's got 60 lots of 25, or we could do 25 times 60. Well, 25 times 6 would be 6 fives are 30. Put the 0 in, carry the 3. And 6 twos are 12 plus 3 is 15. So if 25 times 6 is 150, 25 times 60 would be making it 10 times bigger. So make the 150 10 times bigger would be 1,500. So we must have 1,500 oranges. Now he is selling 800 oranges. So selling 800 oranges means he is going to lose 800 oranges. So we need to subtract 800 oranges from this 1,500. So we need to do 1,500 subtract 800 oranges that he sells. 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take 0 is 0 again. 5 take away 8 we can't do, so borrow from the 1. The 1 becomes 0, and the 1 we borrowed makes that 5 into 15. 15 take away 8 is 7. So he's got 700 oranges left. That's how many he's got left. So he packs the remaining oranges, and this remaining oranges is our 700. So he packs the remaining 700 oranges into boxes of 50. How many boxes does he pack? So we need to figure out how many 50s go into 700. So in other words, we can do a quick bus shelter 50 into 700. Now don't be put off by the fact that it looks like we're dividing by a large number. It actually works out quite easy. Let's see where it takes us. So 50s into 7 won't go because 50 is obviously bigger than 7. But because it wouldn't go, we haven't really used the 7. So carry the 7 across to make 70. 50s into 70 isn't as hard as it sounds. You can get 150 in 70 with 20 left over. So carry the 20 across to make 200. And 50s into 200, well, that's actually quite easy too, because we've got 150's 50, 250s are 100, 350s are 150, and 450s are 200. So how many 50s go into 200? That's 4. So 50s into 700 goes 14 times. So if he was packing 700 oranges into boxes of 50, there are 14 lots of 50 and 700. So how many boxes does he pack? The final answer is 14 boxes. 14 boxes is how many he packed.